tough and they see, but I've been counting 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DNA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and I'm having the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I laid in one, but you was not interested, huh? Never been scared, could never be. Now I'm growing up now. Never slept on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'ma be out of here. I'ma try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break. Ever?
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't that type, I was time for synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been tough and they see, but I've been counting 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DNA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and I'm having the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I laid in one, but you was not interested, huh? Never been scared, could never be. Now I'm growing up now. Never slept on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'ma be out of here. I'ma try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break. Ever?
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't that type, I was time for synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been tough and they see, but I've been counting 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DNA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and I'm having the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I laid in one, but you was not interested, huh? Never been scared, could never be. Now I'm growing up now. Never slept on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'ma be out of here. I'ma try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break. Ever?
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't that type, I was time for synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been tough and they see, but I've been counting 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DNA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and I'm having the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I laid in one, but you was not interested, huh? Never been scared, could never be. Now I'm growing up now. Never slept on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'ma be out of here. I'ma try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break. Ever?
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't that type, I was time for synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh, WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey, yeah, y'all been talking ABC, but I've been counting 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DNA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, turn on the computer every day. Hey, turn on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, turn it on, turn on the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed one, but you was not interested, huh? Never been scared, you've never been. I'm growing up now. Never stepped on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'ma be out of here. I'ma try to give my best.
Yeah.
Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break.
Yeah.
Ever.
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't let that was time with synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been talking ABC, but I've been counting 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DNA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, turn on the computer every day. Hey, turn on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, turn it on, turn on the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed
Great rising, gang. Great rising, people. Great rising, cause oh God. Oh God, like I put this to the 15-minute chart real quick there. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. I am a consistently successful probabilistic trader who has absolute faith in God and me and my path of limitless abundance. I only trade my strategy at key entry points, which is a result of high-level performance. I am disciplined. I'll never be broke again. I have control of my thoughts. I am the observer. I focus only on performance, not outcome ever. I take valid setups. The outcome is never my business. Focus on the process. 0, 1, 2, 3, baby. Deny error. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am the greatest trader. Asking it shall be given to. Seeking ye shall find. Knocking it shall open unto you. I deny error. I have health, discipline, and wealth in abundance. I know I'm what I think about. I am just learning. I deserve this life. Positive, happy mental every day. I am truly limitless. I'm controlling my thoughts more and more each day. I rule my destiny, and so do you all. And for our strategy, we have, of course, start the timer, accept risk, enter one tick above or below a two-legged pullback, lower high, higher low, fail breakout, triple test, break, and retest. Play stop one tick at our signal bar. We got our tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. Trust the unknown, measure risk to reward, and eat, bellow, breathe, relax. Monitor 3-bar/1 minute chart. I am only process. Lock in 10 points. I am only progress. Think heavenly, think godly. Gratitude to learn always for everything. Everything. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay in tune. Let's call the group now. Good looks. Great rising, gang. Yo, spiritual trader, damn, we can see the setup now on your screen over there, bro.
Yeah, I thought I'd share just a little bit. It was, I went into a meditative state last night and I was thinking about a few things, so I thought I'd share my screens this Friday.
Let's go. Do you want to put it up like how I have mine, or should I still put mine up?
I think you should still put yours up.
Okay. Told you, man. I'm on here for everybody to do it, not just me. All right. Yo, Fritz.
What's up, bro?
Already hit those first 2 trades.
You good? Nice.
In the sim, you know, on the thing.
Yeah, I know. I didn't get, hold on, I got the notion.
Yeah, I was gonna say you should get it. You should get it. Let's go.
That's what's up, man. Congratulations.
Yeah, man. Good looks. We're gonna keep working on it today. You're good. Your chart is good. GR, you check your strategy.
Oh yes, green locked in, sir.
You check everything.
Oh yes.
Okay. Leading account 238. Leading account is right. Remember, we're getting on 10 points, and we are
Out.
And
Done.
the phone is accounted for this morning.
Thank you. You know, Kendall, Kendall,
Oh, God.
Kendall be listening and see what's going on over here.
Right.
Yesterday, I'm running around, got to find this guy's phone. You know, I take all responsibility for any trade I take in the market. But I know I would have never taken that trade if I was sitting here actually seeing what's going on.
I agree. I thought about that too. Looking at through the lens of frequency, it was very interesting. I was thinking the exact same
Bro, it
thing.
killed that honestly not pissed me off, but I was agitated yesterday. That's why I was like, you know what? I'm not even coming on the camera. I'm not even doing this. I just started the day. We got to look for this guy's phone. I'm like, bro, you want to do this, you want to be in the game, but the coach basically just called you up and you can't find your cleats, buddy. What's going on? So you know.
That's a low down wicked.
Bro, some cleats.
Yeah, he's got some stepping up to do today. I try to show them the ways, you know, Kendall, it's the little stuff like that will throw off your routine. You wouldn't believe it, but I promise you it is.
You know, I'm proud of you because it's a beyond words powerful thing for you to hold an awareness to it and then be able to just speak to it, recognizing it, and then be able to, by speaking to it, you recognize it through multiple degrees. Because I can speak to it, so that's a good thing. Then.
Yeah, and man, like I said, I appreciate you. He definitely takes notice of what's going on.
Everything.
He said the phone's accounted for today. That was funny.
Yo, that one passed me too.
Yeah, nah, I'm like, oh shoot, you got you.
Well, I heard y'all start laughing. I'm like, yo, all right, something really missed me just now.
He got you, bro. All right, so look, this is the same exact trade we took yesterday, right? Right at the top, this higher low tricked us, got us in. Not today.
You shorted yesterday?
Nah, I took a long today, yesterday, at the top of the move. Yeah. How about you? How'd your day go yesterday?
I was looking for signs to go short with this right here.
Oh yeah. Go ahead, my friend.
Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just saying, like, I was looking for I don't got no signal bar or anything, but
yeah.
that's with a situation like this, that's what I'll be looking for.
Yeah, bro. That's definitely a good pivot. Start looking for the short, because right now I got double top. Same kind of thing they did yesterday. I got a break new extreme of this uptrend. Now I'm looking for that reversal, but I really need to see it break below this 21 and do all that stuff. And you know, I still got
yeah, because I saw it break the trend, right? That's a breaking trend. And then it's like a triple top, kind of.
Exactly. You know, I wait for this 15-minute bar to end. Yeah, ES and NQ doing the same thing, so that's a good look. I'm going to 15-minute. We do it first because I'm soft like lotion.
Bonds are going up today. We lost so much yesterday. Thinking that it should be going back up. Bottom this here from yesterday is what, 546?
Yeah, it's just the market is in oversold territory yesterday. It really hit that level. There's a trend line, a big trend line on ES that it really hit yesterday and just got clapped. And that's all I'm saying. I feel like yesterday I knew I wanted to go short, and then just running around, I came back. I was like, oh yeah, let's go long. When the whole time we knew we wanted to go short yesterday. So that was a good, nice lesson there.
This one right here looked like it's gonna keep going. What the hell? Come on.
Paid about $5,000 for that lesson yesterday. Very, very, very good listening.
For a second there, I thought you were trying to fix my dents. Nah, don't fix them. These are some valuable dents.
That's right, they are. All the dents we getting. Here we go again, a nice little hammer at the bottom. But do I want to go long? Not necessarily. Little triple test though. See it?
Yeah, man, like
But with this break in new extreme, do I want to be going long?
You got something
Your weave? Is your weave over there bothering you?
You got something to say, brother Murphy?
Oh no.
So what I see here is that range and the EMA, them kind of like a plot within each other.
What about yes? What about yes?
Yes, just a push up, then it's start get one instant reversal, like, you know, no break, then correction, just reversal after the back.
There we go. Stay in the game on the ES, bro. Stay in the game. Stay in the motion, okay? That's where we need you at. Double trap, break new extreme, instant reversal. Right?
Yes, getting whipped out.
Looks like they want to start ranging in this area too. You see what I mean? We have good ideas, like even just now, right? That was a good idea to go long. But I'm thinking, yeah, everybody probably sees that. I don't really want the too obvious, you know? The
Sitting you want.
Yeah, bro.
Finesse.
Yeah, come out of nowhere, chip them
Chip
box
them.
up. Yo.
Hey.
Great rising, what's going on, man?
Not much. Chilling.
You and me both. Said you and me both.
What's up, Madam Phoenix?
What's going on, JJ? What's up, GR?
What a fine Phoenix.
Quick break new extreme. Just quick.
Yeah, still have them two by the front line.
So it seems like they're trying to trap the downside. We got 4 minutes to see how these bars end. NASDAQ has a wick to the top. ES doesn't really have a wick to the top.
But you have one to the bottom.
Yeah, ES has a wick to the bottom. Keeping it more composed, so let's see if ES comes back and flushes through this bottom. Hey, Kendall. Whenever you have some time, I got another platform I want to show you and see if you know anything about it. It's called TradeStation.
Yes.
Have you used that before?
Well, they're the original OGs
Yeah.
on digital trading. So I've never used them, but I'm aware of them, very much like Sierra charts.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we definitely. Yeah. So let's me and you get on there, bro, and see what's going on. Hey, Jason, appreciate it. Let's go. Because we're gonna trade, like I'm trading on that platform as well.
Okay.
So my brother's gonna run this station, my other brother's gonna run the next station, and I'm gonna monitor both the stations and then also try to get in on some cash account play.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so hedge fund is in full effect, bro. That's correct.
Yeah. He all the way in the back.
Let's get it.
Wait, Fritz didn't say 5%. Is something wrong with him? He feeling okay?
Nah, he already said it. He already said it this rising somehow. 1%.
Yeah.
Today's a 1% discount day. I'm still watching for this downtrend to get bigger, so once I see it start going, I already start trying to see. Yeah, and ES just flushed back down through the bottom. We got a little trap action going on, right? That's the absorption right there. So this is a higher low, and this hammer is higher than the previous hammers, but we just got all this ranging going on now, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars in a row. That's what we stay out of. Then as he said, we are create wave like the ocean. Ocean wave, ocean wave. We do.
Flush down to the bottom now.
Yeah. We right at this support area, so that's why we waiting.
I'm looking at Kendall chart as well.
Of course.
Trying to see something from there too.
All right, well, you can't do that, honestly. You can't have both those running right now.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
because
this
I have, look how many things I have running right now. Don't forget this in the background.
So that's another background too?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at this. So I'm trying to show you, you gotta,
Okay.
you can't have that much. I got the TradeStation running. I got Skype running. I got OBS running. I got Yellow Duck running. Let me quit the Zoom.
I have everything.
I gotta quit a couple stuff. But it's good to know this computer can handle it though.
Right.
Strong.
The way you're looking, you might need a swimmer, a couple swimmers out there.
Huh?
You might need a couple swimmers out there.
Yeah, I do need some servers, and I need my own internet company. I need an internet box from Xfinity themselves. or Verizon, because I heard Verizon doing some good stuff. All right, so you see that high or low work? Well, look at that signal bar they give you now, eh? Got the 0, first entry short. Can we get second entry short off the top of this area? But again, we're still not looking to go long yet, right? We need nice break and retest off this top if we going long. All right, 15-minute candle is done. Back to 10K, and our switches back to your 2K. Stay active, guys. I keep trying to reinforce the active.
Hey, David.
Hey, Red.
What does work?
Oh my gosh.
I'll talk to you later about it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very taxing.
Dave, Rudd, what's going on, guys?
Hey, I'm watching the free practice. Hungary.
Hey, man, did you see the first one?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Checo right into the barriers. First lap. It's crazy. I think he feels like Danny Ricciardo is coming for his place. Yeah, I wouldn't blame.
I like it.
Yeah. Even Christian, they're interviewing Christian about this. I'm like, isn't this AlphaTauri? Why are they? I know it's the Red Bull, team still, but that's a little sketchy. Formula One is so cutthroat.
So, how did you guys do yesterday with the big drop?
Man, not that good. For me, it was dropping, but it didn't give me clarity. It just kept dropping.
Okay.
Some ranges, but it looked good. It was good movement at least. We got some volume back in the market. So look at that. They went long, got trapped.
No, kind of like a field breaker. Yes, show the 15 minutes.
Oh, down at the bottom.
Yeah, he threw centrifuge.
But you reach at a pivot already and get weak out as well.
This is my laptop, man. It's crazy. Y'all can hear that?
Yeah,
That's the
I can hear it.
laptop? Wow.
The laptop
Sounds like we're at a nuclear power plant.
Things start firing up.
That's your laptop?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Karen, it's my laptop. It's crazy. It's gone.
No, it's still there.
Let me see.
You have the sun? Is the sun hitting it?
Nah.
Are y'all sure? Try. What about now?
You hear it?
Yeah, man, I hear it too.
You still hear it?
Did it stop? Did it stop when I muted?
No, it's mine. Hold up. Let me mute mine.
And I feel one sweet.
I wasn't even sure. 'Cause like I said, we got a lot
Right,
of
we
stuff
have
running.
a whole heap of sitting running, yes?
Yeah, I can't be letting.
You guys hear it? You guys heard it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it mine or no?
I can't
Nah,
really.
I ain't hearing it no
I
more.
can't really hear. I don't know.
I know when this damn thing take off, it take off. I don't know why.
There we go. Trapped them right.
Mm-hmm.
No, we shouldn't have been going long. That's why these are the things we got to look at. Like, even though we know it's not supposed to, look how it could have baited us into still going long.
Mm-hmm.
So we just got to stick
But I just
to.
slap we again, like you said.
Yeah, bro. Stick to what we say.
The
and what
loan
we
was
do.
there, but you had to be waiting for it. When
Uh-huh.
it came to you, boom, you're attacking and you're out. Just
Yep.
like that. I did a bank trade as a long, but it was quick, and I only did it one time.
There you go. Yeah. I want some real nice clarity if I can today, as much as possible.
feel breakout, yes. Same thing for us in Q. Now feel what you feel? Oh yes, oh yes.
I charge him.
Good job, guys. I like that you guys are having fun with it too. Don't forget to have fun all the time. Sometimes it'll get you. But remember to try to have some fun. That's the whole point.
It's good that. So read, man. Look at read for.
That's the whole point of why we're doing this, right? You don't have to work regular job. You don't have to do because we still doing something. Ludlus? I am not a ludlum, my friend. Ooh, look at that higher low again. Savagery. We got break new extreme now for the
Break and
downside.
retest.
So now we
But
got
yes.
we could get some reversal.
So, well. Not really. I want to call it break and retest because they had the pivot to get slapped back off it.
What you say, yo?
Volunteer. It's dropping. Should have been going up. Yeah, revenue, earning, is coming in like August.
You see, so yesterday also, why that happened? Apple on top of everything else.
I think it was Tesla or not.
Yeah, Apple and Tesla. They're both Apple's having problems making their screen for the iPhone 15. Tesla had some problems with some sales, but they're saying they're gonna lower price. I'm like, okay, I don't know why. Yeah. They're gonna lower the price on the regular EVs.
Yes, just get slapped off of the pivot, making it be down.
Tesla is 262. I got some yesterday.
Yeah, I remember you saying that.
Alright, so that's break no extreme for the downside. So are we not looking for? We shouldn't be looking for shorts anymore.
To be honest, bro, I'm just waiting because it barely even touched the 21. It barely touched anything. It's just going. I have a break new extreme for the upside, and now I have break new extreme for the downside as well. So I'm just gonna wait to see what price wants to show me. Got this major downtrend. Let's see if it's valid.
Heavy rejection off of the pivot for ES when it
Yo,
tries
G.
to come back up.
What you say, yo?
That's a heavy rejection off of the pivot when ES tries to come back up.
Okay, so ES push it back down. You see how you talking to me like that? I need that all the time. Because you're saying it out loud to yourself as well. You know what I mean?
True.
Just talk out loud, bro. Remember, before I was on the stream, before I was in the group with people, I was still talking out loud, right? I was just by myself doing it.
Like it's mad, man.
Yeah, it looks crazy, but whatever keeps me on point.
As the mother call it space. Why you talking to yourself?
I would talk to myself if that's what keeps me on track all day long. See how they keep tricking these hammers? You noticed that so far today?
Keep chop the hammer again.
Almost every hammer gets wiped out.
Chop it.
Yep.
How much
The
damage
one
is it?
right there at the bottom, trapped. Even the one that they try to form right here got trapped and wicked out at the top.
How much damage is it, I know?
Here's the thing though, right? We can't do anything with that, yo. Because I am not going to short below a hammer.
True, especially when it for the opposite color.
Yeah, it just don't make sense. But take notice of it then.
No getting.
And if we were to take a hammer, you got to get a bar like this that's strong. And then you're going to be taking it
color.
close to the bottom of the hammer. And that's like a really, you know. Yeah, That's like an ant trade. I'm good on the ant trades.
Wait, yo, bro, you said don't short under a hammer.
Yeah, why would I short under a hammer? That's showing me there's a whole bunch of strength to the top.
Alright, but I didn't even know that. I was just making sure.
Yeah, you do. You know this, bro. That.
Bro, I'm learning every day.
Yeah, bro, you know this already, though. You would not go short below this bar. You don't know what it's called, but you know for a fact you shouldn't go short below this bar, no? Like, just for...
Like, I know that's a signal to go up.
That's done, bro. That's what I mean. You don't get into all... I'm explaining it to them, but you know that's a signal to go up. End the story. Why would I be thinking to go short if I see that? You know what I mean? Don't even...
Yeah, nah, I was just making sure.
Yeah, bro, don't confuse yourself. You know. I keep telling you, you know. You say you don't know. I'm like, no, you know. See how they doing a whole bunch of just...
ES start ranging right under the pivot as well.
ES trying to just push the pivot, get slapped again. Second time they got slapped.
Another one of the blue and triple test. Right from off of the pivot.
You could take a mini snap.
Mini snap. Man face light up, bro. Yeah.
Oh no, we taking no snaps today.
Yo, man, for this.
Yes.
With the 150? Of course.
No.
Oh, and I see yours.
We have the
We
150. The only one.
Where we take every two-legged. Alright, okay. Do it. Take on two.
You ready? Don't take pride. Look at you over there.
Hey.
Get up long time.
Hey.
Private bug out.
This is the thing, you know.
It's so funny to me he's in the bug out shirt. Like, what's going on?
Me are the one who sit back and watch and
Fire.
analyze. But
Brother
every,
Fire.
every time when they're in the trade, they're right behind down there. Don't think gonna leave in me.
Oh no, no.
When you don't even have to look back. Alright. The Lord lies right there.
See any business today?
Good.
Nothing pass.
Because
Now
yesterday...
watch ES this out. I'm not right. I'm the pound for it.
All right, tell you, so that's how you need to be active, bro.
I love it.
You need to be active. ES got second entry short, but I really don't think.
That I come off of the 9 man.
This is it. I really don't think it'll go down yet. I think it needs to touch that top. Then we got that triple test, right? This is a really, really tight channel down. Technically, this is showing strength right
If
here.
them forget one new extreme move down, they would feel like something like this.
When Max sees this, he'll be like, that's a strong trend right there. Anything you see off that trend line, you take it. Good, decent signal bar, you take it. Huh?
Like, look on this. There's a big thing right there. Some else say if like them forget one strong rejection from for the pivot, like if you go up,
Back down to
slap back down, just go right back down to your blue line right that's your daily target, no?
550. That's the daily low. Is it? Yeah, that's the low of the day so far.
And if you forget on the support, so forget one next
Yeah. Write it down, my friend.
you just always try to keep the bigger picture open.
Yep, write it down, write it down. Keep the big picture in your brain. That's how you should think when you're trading too. It's not just each trade, right? It's like a group of trades. That's why I tell you, I look at my trades in like tens or for the week. And I know, because this is trading. Jeffrey, Grand Rising, overslept. What I missed? Nada. But I don't know though. You probably missed a lot. Do what you do. I don't know. I didn't miss nothing. But what's going on? What's it called? If you know, out of 10 trades, you're lucky if you get 5 right. You should get normally 7 of them wrong out of 10.
What? 3 good one.
3 good ones. That's why I say, focus on how you losing, what you can lose, instead of what you can win. Keep that losing to a minimum, and let that winner run. They didn't even touch the pivot. They did touch the 21 though. ES is ranging literally sideways.
Can this one? Do we like it? No, we don't.
If they break this though, at least we can know this trend line isn't valid. But if they can't break it, it's a little because then is this big trend line valid already? We got 1, 2 touches from the top, 1 touch at the bottom, 3rd touch. See if they break it right now. There it goes. All right. Not if it breaks it. Nope.
Terrence, did you take that? Were you in this short?
No. I'm just talking to them out loud right now.
I have a quick question. Could you identify why that short would have been different from the one yesterday, other than the fact of the distraction?
This short, like up here, you mean?
Basically the trade at extremes. So yesterday you were wanting to grab that break at the extremes.
Mm-hmm.
So today we were at the lows of the session at the extremes.
Oh, right now.
I was seeing the same thing take place that you got in yesterday, but I'm noticing a difference. I wanted to know if you caught on to it.
Yeah, well, my difference is this strong little range right here. And then this fight, you know, I'm used to, like, when I take a short, yeah, that's why I love shorts. Like, just a flush, you know? Push, no really hitch. You see how there's, like, this, what I call a little hitch up? Or, like, you know, I guess, what do you call accumulating right here? And then I just don't know with my other rule because of this break in new extreme. That's why I'm just like, probably not.
Check this out. So yesterday when I kind of was calling it out, how the location that you bought in at the top on that extreme, that's the trap. That was the trap of since the open. So since the open that day, we were just going in a straight line up. Because what am I doing as a market maker? I'm pricing the market exactly where I want to get them, and that's right after the open. Mm-hmm. So if I'm taking the extreme right there for the trap, there's no other move that's been made yet with the liquidity coming in at the open. I'm now it. So what took place today is there was that positive break where we got a high on the open, and then it reversed. See how we now have liquidity to eat when we're at these new extremes. You see, that's a big difference, and that's what I was pointing out yesterday. Another reason why I'm going to stay on this just a little bit more is because it's forcing you spiritually to take a look at your movements for real. So if I'm taking this trade and I'm at new extremes, all right, but what's the fuel for me for this to continue? Well, it's going to be liquidity. I need to eat. That's what fuels the market, liquidity. So if you want fuel to go in a direction of the trade, there needs to be liquidity there for you to eat, for it to go that direction. And I would just, maybe a hint or a big clue that I can give is you want that liquidity to already be printed. And a lot of people recognize that as trap trades.
Right.
So, I'll stop. I think I made my point.
Okay, no, but it's like where it could possibly go. Again, that's where you're calling it liquidity to go get some food.
Yo, spiritual trader, you're in this trade?
No. That not the big trades. I've taken little punches by just sitting. But for me, I'm in the big trades because I'm on both sides of it. So if I wasn't on both sides of it, I'm just thinking in it.
Okay, I got you.
whole thing when you just say like in depth more though.
Yeah, in depth, exactly.
Oh, good.
And he's recognizing,
Good, good,
you
good.
know, he knows
Like you can
where
see
the
what
places
going
are.
inside, yeah.
Yeah, and then the places that he's talking about, like he said, liquidity. It's like
Actually,
real
I
good
feel
place
like
of
I have
interest.
a responsibility to go a little bit more deeply on what I just said. I'm not on both. If I'm not on both sides, I'm banking in it. That doesn't even make sense when I read. Just go back and read it in English, but it does make sense from my intent. So what does that mean? I need to be on both sides. If I'm on the both sides of the trade participating, I'm growing in awareness to what's happening because I'm paying attention. And I've learned my lesson over many, many years trading every single day. So being on both sides of the trade gives me a degree of awareness to really place a bet and get into a position. So that's where the money's made. So if I'm banking, it's almost like I'm in prime position, what I would argue doing what everybody else in the market is doing that little scalp trade, whatever your trade is, that's what I'm doing, but I call it a bank trade. So I'm just going back and forth, and I haven't been caught yet to, to be forced to trade both sides. So I'm just going in and out of the market. All right, I'm done.
Please touch the 21.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah.
I just need to touch the 21, and then if it starts to break down out of this, I would go short, but it's gotta touch the 21 because I also see it supporting off this level from this rising. This is where it opened today, and it just even did a higher low off of it. So I want to watch the short coming in. I got this uptrend though, but I do got two. Let's see how it forms. Right to the top. Exactly.
Yeah.
21 is holding. Just don't like the fact that ES is pushing up.
Oh, ho, ho, look at it down to 14.
Hmm?
Nah, man. Me I talk about moving a little bit to speedy on the landing just now.
What do we think about this short right here? Very tiny risk. ES just pushing up though.
Right. And then 10K take, well, 10K kind of they got down.
I think I'm gonna try it.
Right.
I'm gonna try it.
We're gone.
Still FBO, like all those. Where's the clicker? Yeah.
We're looking for new extreme.
ES start push down.
Yeah, they look like
Is it great new extreme now?
I'm in at 08. Stop loss should be 08.
Another 18.
18.
Is it 08?
Yeah, 18.
Yeah. And just stop me out here.
They just stopped you out?
Yep.
And they're about to stop me out too. It was decent though, again. Decent.
Order. Stop bell.
So now we got this break new extreme. And that's what I was afraid of too.
Yeah, push back.
Yeah, because this uptrend is valid now.
Yes, start push back green too.
Now should we go long?
Hey, them just broke over the pivot, you know. Who knows if the pivot are
Second
go over?
entry.
Oh, no.
We saw second entry is second entry short now.
Second entry shot with a green bar.
Failure.
Feet with a green bar.
Failure to the long side.
But with a green bar, no?
That's to go long.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. But hey, we wait.
You guys started talking when I pulled the trigger, like right on the millisecond.
Yeah, I feel like that's why I was looking for the long now. I was like, but I hate feeling like I'm revenge trading.
I was being very bad when I did that because I needed to wait. But see, this is why discipline never ever goes away. It never goes away. Because I now am fighting and balancing with discipline because the truth be told, I don't care what happens with the trade. I just want to be in it because I can ride the wave.
Yeah.
So it's like, why not just take the trade? Do I really need to wait? So you're going to get to a point to where, man, discipline never goes away.
Yeah. I wanted to take that just now, bro. I was like, no, just wait.
Well, I'm in and out. I have two clips. So there's the bank clip, and then there's the reload clip.
See what I'm saying, G?
And I use that.
You don't know, my friend. You're not
buyer
looking
or
at the
seller
failure.
has been tested. So if I'm the buyer, I want to get the best price. So we came down to the best price. That's where I reload. So if I'm going to reload there, I want to get definitely paid because I'm expecting a larger move. So that's the reload clip.
Okay. Didn't even get to put on my mask. That's how fast it was.
Oh, God.
But see, the trade's still on. Opportunity's still there. There's a buyer at 32 halves, and then there's a buyer behind them at 16. And if I'm looking at this scene, the one thing that I'm paying attention to is on the retail side in the future. The micros. See, this is important because of the amount of volume that comes in there. This is still risk on the books for these banks that have to facilitate this market. So there's a massive sell position on the micros. Now on the institution side, it's pretty much balanced. They can flip either way. And then on the cash side, there's a buyer, but again, they could flip any other way. And then I'm also looking at the ETFQs. What's the volume over there doing? And either way, I think a buy is a good trade, but actually, I'm going to take all that back. That's speculation. Let's just watch.
Spiritual trader, what time frame do you use to trade? Like the minutes?
Think about it like this, and I'm glad you asked that question because I don't think I've heard anyone speak to this. It's not about being stuck in a box. You don't want to be stuck in a box. You want to be able to hold the perspective to what you're participating in. So what does that mean? Number one, you need to have a narrative. Why am I moving? What is my truth? What is my positioning? What is my degrees of, what's your discipline? What's your consistency? So you need to be aware of the bigger narrative. So once you've got that down, you can go to a long 30-minute is what I look at. Anything higher than that while I'm day trading is irrelevant. It's irrelevant. Has nothing to do with the market that's happening right now. So 30-minute gives me a bigger narrative where I could get caught in and I need to pay attention to. But the game board that I'm playing on is the 3-minute, and I'd recommend everyone look at that because that's the one the market's playing on. Everyone else's chart seems to fit here. And I think it comes down to the truth of this physical space we're in, the triangularity. So if I
These ones are
triangulate my
done.
position, if I'm holding a degree of awareness, it's going to happen in 3. So that's why the 3 minute it's an absolute truth, and why you should maybe consider it in your view. All right, I'm done.
Okay, appreciate it.
Making sure.
So
With the 25 am I right?
One.
use
Oh, you got
multiple time frames, but usually the 30, right?
The game board for me is going to be on the 3, but you need to always be inside holding your frequency, so you'll have your narrative, and that has to come from a larger time frame so that you can zoom in to your execution. So you need to have a bigger time frame where you can look at and say, this is what's happening. So when I zoom in, this is what I'm now executing in that bigger narrative. That's where you want to be at to really be able to move in the knowing.
Let's go.
So what we're witnessing here is like, this is that point of balance where a lot of people have to manage their risk because of how just the orders have come in. Because we're at this price, we're going to have a reaction because people are going to have to manage their risk. So there's a participant 639, and we're going to see if the bid, so this whole time for you guys, you're an hour ahead. So that's, what is it, 10:03. So since 10:03 and that bottom was printed, participation has been declining. So people have been leaving the market. So no one's coming in from that point to now. So what we have is this buyer just squeezing the liquidity that's there. And now we've got to this price where people have to react. So are they going to actually get out, or are they going to start to unload? Because now we have a buyer here, and this would be a good position for me to manage my risk. So we're watching this battle now, and we got a low volume push to come out. And it was really facilitated on the micros, actually, and in the cash market. So we got a cash derivative buyer to come in and kind of move the futures. So they just pulled their liquidity on the future side so that they can get a better price for this cash derivative buyer in the over-the-counter exchanges. And I'm looking at a specific broker, but they're going to be replicated. So because it's fire, I'm going to pull. And now I'm waiting to see the response. And so far across all of these markets, participation is still declining. So now we're looking at, what is it, 15, 16 minutes now, where straight volume is declining.
So that, you mean kind of that upon that like
So
break.
we're watching the seller take advantage of that, because if I'm the seller and I'm here, there's a real seller here. They have to manage their risk here. Are they going to start to balance out and get out? Or are they going to unload? So we're kind of watching this. Again, buyer at 639.
I definitely like when you're talking about it. I could visually, like translate it for myself. For sure.
And see, here's the magic of what's happening. If you really want to get into the power and take advantage of this situation, you want to listen to the truth of what I'm saying. And what it is a state of awareness. You just need to get to a state of awareness to what you're doing, what you're participating, and you can do the rest. But then that requires you to do it. You got to hold the discipline and the consistency and hold the frequency. You can lie to everyone else, but you can't lie to yourself. Don't lie to yourself about the markets.
Right.
Don't do it.
He said, don't do it.
So this is our seller. They're leaning into it now. There's no buyer. There's no buyer showing up, and I have to react. You see what I mean?
I could have
At
saved
the
this.
price
It's
where
just
I have to
breaking
do.
near extreme.
I have
Should
to
have
get my
waited to
orders
take
out.
the short.
And our buyer asshole too. Come on now. This game has been going on since. How long have they been playing this since I've been? Man, we've got to go into the BC times when
I kind
we
of like
start
this right here.
for a short.
Now I'm waiting for the candle to end because for me, this is a part of a range, and then is second entry short. I'm looking for a second entry short big, so. But I want to see how this bar forms.
For me, it's pretty sketch. Just looking
Oh,
at
now
the
you
numbers
see?
across
Now
the
you-
market. Yeah.
See, even if it gives me a good bar, it's like low key too long now. So.
I was looking for a good bar too. I wanted that bar to be red though. I mean green, not red.
Believe it or not, this was actually what I was going to speak to. Was as our seller was coming in because there is no buyer. If I'm the buyer? That's kind of what I want to see, honestly. I want price to come down because I want the best price, and I want you guys to jump in. And if you're trying to sell, well, that's exactly what I want to happen, and that's when the buyer steps.
Right.
Now,
Oh, they got double trap.
now, this is when you want to start paying attention to price because we've seen volume come in. And now we're seeing more develop, and now we can see 2 degrees where the lean is.
I want to take a sell here. Now I'm taking the sell. This is my last trade for the day. I'm looking for the same trade again, break new extreme. Taking the same exact trade.
Good job by them to that downside.
Yep. If it don't, I traded my idea though.
Right. We follow the rules.
That's all I wanted, bro. Just to follow my idea. Come on to the bottom.
And that's how you can move when you're understanding your narrative and what you're taking it. Now, just imagine where you really craft. All right, so this is the game that's happening every single day. It's not ever going to change if you're looking at it truly. I'm just going to tell you, it's the same fucking thing every day. You're just watching. What you're watching is people. You're watching the matrix code of the freaking reality, and you see how people can be manipulated when the scene is designed. It's puppeteered. All right. So, anyways, with that being said, that trade, are you in and out?
Yes, sir.
See, that's what I mean. See, that's what I mean when you've got the narrative and you come down to your mastering craft. You're just waiting for what you can see, right? This is the part of the scene that I know, feel comfortable, I move in, boom, get in.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's
it.
That's what I was waiting for.
Your uniqueness, and you just capitalize on it.
Yeah, bro.
Every day.
This little bar was crazy. I wanted to stay in. This just wasn't looking good. I'm just snagging around. New extreme. What happened?
I get none. We good. We alright.
You guys get in and out?
My idea work.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now we up. That might be it, because I got midterms anyway today, so.
Yeah, I took my 2 up 2 for the day, and I'm off until later. It's Friday.
Appreciate you for the trade, bro.
Yeah.
Got you, bro. Might good job. Thank you, Kendall, too. That's
For real.
great, guys. see y'all